Okay, so now we're going to talk a little bit about cleaning and maintaining your handcuffs and to have them in good working condition. It's important that you clean and inspect your handcuffs, belly chains, leg irons at least once a month, or if they have been exposed to bodily fluids or hostile conditions. Check and remove lint around and inside the keyhole, and use warm water and soap or disinfectant wipes. Disinfecting your handcuffs is very important, and as we record this, we are going through the COVID 19 crisis here in 2020. A lot of us security officers are having to wear personal protection equipment such as masks, gloves, and hand sanitizer in every single pocket we have. But disinfecting your handcuffs is very important. If handcuffs, belly chains, or leg irons become exposed to bodily fluids, you can do this by making your own solution. You can decontaminate using 1 quart of cool water with 1 tablespoon of bleach, soap and water, and let air dry. Inspecting handcuffs, belly chains, leg irons, and transport belt. You want to check key and do the blades rotate freely? Are double bars bent? Inspect chain integrity. Check for integrity of transport belt. And check for cracks and deformations. And wipe down with a dry cloth. This will conclude our handcuffing course. It's pretty much everything you need to know in a handcuff, to be able to handcuff somebody. So with that, this will pop up on your certificate that you have completed handcuff training. The next part of this course is going to be loss prevention. And so when you come back, we'll go ahead and we'll dive right into that.